Well, about a year before I had my surgery done, I came to see Dr. Bonine, and he laid out for me what was going to happen. At that time, I was working, and I wasn't ready to accept the fact that I had a serious dental problem. A year later, my regular dentist, basically because I had 2 teeth fall out, told me I was either going to have a partial or possibly have all my teeth pulled, and I really needed to go see Dr. Bonine. And I said, oh, well, I've already seen him. I'll just go back. Well, this time I was ready to accept the fact that I had been in denial for a long time about my poor dental health. When Dr. Bonine laid out the plan of what he was going to do for my dental health, 22 implants. Now, that's a lot. And over the period of time that it was going to happen, I'm not a very good dental patient, and I was terrified. And he gave me almost a feeling of being an architect. He took the plan, he laid it all out, showed me when it was going to happen, how it was all going to come together. And I'm not going to say the very day that he gave it to me, I said, oh yeah, we're going to go right ahead with that. He said, why don't you go home and you talk about it with your friends and your family and your husband and see what you think, and then let me know. And you know what? That was the best thing he could have done. I have to say, when he started telling me all of the details of the architectural plan for my mouth, I was a little overwhelmed. But he showed me every step of the way so that I could be a member of the team that was going to make this winning goal. And you know what? I love that fact. He told me exactly what would happen, when it would happen, how it would happen. Oh, I felt totally empowered. I felt like I was on his team, so to speak. And we were going down for the goal line kick, and I was going to be at the end of this, I was going to be restored with beautiful teeth. I guess I have to say Dr. Bonine made me feel empowered, and I trusted him. I worked in healthcare for many years, and I have known many, many physicians. But I have never felt the relationship of a physician caring so deeply about his patients and understanding what they were going to go through when they had the process of the implants. It is as though he himself has been there and lived it, because he knows every single step and guides you so that you know what's going to happen. And you know, the fear of the unknown is the very worst. So if you know what's going to happen and you have somebody there to guide you and to rest assured that they're going to be there every time you need them, what could possibly go wrong? As for pain, no, it is not painful. There is a pressure. It is not pain. It would be like somebody taking hold of your hand and squeezing it tight. But it is not painful. And the rewards are pretty enormous. How do I feel today about my implants? Well, let me put it this way. It changed my life because when I smile, I am so confident that that smile is going to shine. And I don't have to have my grandchildren now saying to me, what are those silver things on that tooth? What are those? Why are those silver things there? There are just hundreds of reasons why implants can make your life better. And that's just one of them, the physical look. But from an operational standpoint, I'm telling you right now, it's the best investment I ever made in my health. It made me more confident. It gave me a renewed sense of being young and vibrant because I didn't have all those dental issues. Teeth weren't rotting away. I could go places and feel confident again, like I did when I was in my 20s. I'm way more than happy with my results. I can't tell you what it means to have a confidence that you had when you were 20. And I'm way past 20, I hate to say it. When you go to have an implant done, you need to really make sure and investigate the physician who you are choosing. It is a partnership. It is not a physician and the patient. It is a partnership. Each has to do their part. And it should always be about the end result and your health, because that is all that really matters. Oh, thank you very much. That's very nice.